Next, a number is 56 greater than the average of its third, quarter and 1/12th. Find the number. Let the number be x. So 1/3 is x by 3, quarter is x by 4, 1/12th is x upon 12. Now we have to add them, average of these. So add them, x upon 3 plus x upon 4 plus x upon 12, the whole upon 3. Why whole upon 3? Because average. Solve this, take LCM, you get 12 and 4x plus 3x plus x upon 12, the whole upon 3. So 8x upon 12, the whole upon 3. See, this is like this, a upon b, the whole upon c equals to a upon bc. So solve this, 8x upon 12, 3 is 36, so 2x upon 9. This is the average, but number is greater by 56. So this number x minus this average 2x upon 9 equals to 56. Solve this, 9 over here and remaining all things you can solve. So x equals to 56 upon 7 into 9. So you get x equals to 72. That is the answer.